Here's a nice one. The equation y equals 10/3 x, 10.3x plus 13.4 estimates the amount businesses spend in billions of dollars on a certain business technology where x is the number of years after 2004. So for what years? Okay, so this will be what I'm looking for, x. Will the spending be more than 34 billion? So this is be 34 billion, and is equal to 10.3x plus 13.4. But I wonder, like this that equal sign there, they say will be spending be more than 34 billion. So when will this be greater than 34 billion? So I think I need to put in there, the stuff on the right has to be bigger than 34 billion. You could write it like this too. Here's your spending, 10.3 times the number of years plus 13.4, and I want that to be greater than 34 billion. So if you just swap this around, you get that. Okay, so let's move the 13.4 over and subtract it. So that'd be 20.6, I think. 13, yep. And then divide both sides by 10.3. 10.3, and x is got to be greater than 2. So for what years will they spending be more than 34 billion? Everything after year 2. Now, I don't know if they need you to graph that, but they're saying x has to be bigger than 2. I guess it could be equal to, but they want to know when it's more than 34 billion. So it'll be exactly 34 billion at 2 years, but they want to know when will it be more than that. So it'll be anything after 2 years. So as long as the years are bigger than 2, you could graphically write that. Here's 1, here's 2. So from 2 on, I can't include 2, so I put a curly bracket and then put an arrow going that way. In interval notation, you'd say you can start at 2, that would be the smallest, and go up to positive infinity, that would be the largest.